Amidst the bustling corridors of the National Institutes of Health in Bethesda, Maryland, a momentous decision was about to be made. A gathering of the world's most brilliant minds in genetics, biology, and technology were convened, each with a shared vision, to sequence and understand the entire human genome. The year was 1990, and the world stood on the precipice of a scientific revolution. The Human Genome Project, a massive international collaboration, was about to embark on a mission that would change our understanding of life itself. The project was born out of the need to unlock the mysteries of heredity, to map the intricate blueprint of human DNA. It was a daunting task, one that many believed would take decades to complete. But the scientists gathered were undeterred, their determination burning brightly in the face of such a formidable challenge. James Watson, co-discoverer of the structure of DNA, stood before the assembled group, his eyes filled with the fire of scientific discovery. "We are about to embark on an extraordinary journey," he declared, his voice echoing through the hushed auditorium. "We will map the human genome, and in doing so, we will redefine our understanding of humanity." The room erupted in a cacophony of applause, the sound a testament to the collective spirit of the scientists gathered. They were about to embark on a mission that would span over a decade, a mission that would require the combined efforts of thousands of researchers, and a mission that would ultimately cost billions of dollars. The project was divided into 3 phases: mapping, sequencing, and analysis. The first phase, in mapping, involved identifying and charting the locations of each gene on the chromosomes. This was a painstaking process, requiring the use of advanced imaging technology and the collaboration of researchers from around the world. As the years passed and the project progressed, the world watched with bated breath. The Human Genome Project was not just a scientific endeavor, it was a symbol of human ingenuity, a testament to our capacity for discovery and our unquenchable thirst for knowledge. But with great power comes great responsibility, and as the project neared its completion, ethical questions began to arise. How would this newfound knowledge be used? Would it be used for the greater good, or would it be wielded for nefarious purposes? These questions were not lost on the scientists involved in the project. They understood the gravity of their task, and they vowed to use their discoveries for the betterment of humanity. In the end, the Human Genome Project was a triumph of human cooperation, a beacon of what we can achieve when we come together in the pursuit of knowledge. On June 26, 2000, the Human Genome Project announced that the sequencing of the human genome was complete. It had taken 10 years, cost billions of dollars, and involved the efforts of thousands of researchers from around the world. But in the end, it was a triumph for humanity, a testament to our capacity for scientific discovery, and a sign of the incredible things we can achieve when we dare to dream big. The Human Genome Project marked a new era in our understanding of life. It opened the door to a wealth of new possibilities, from the development of personalized medicine to the understanding of genetic diseases. It was a monumental achievement, one that would change the course of human history. And as we look back on the Human Genome Project today, we are reminded of the power of human ingenuity, the importance of cooperation, and the boundless potential of the human spirit. It was a project that began with a simple dream, and it led to a discovery that would forever change our understanding of ourselves.